Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, your happy place to learn real English in a fun and easy way. I'm David.
And I'm Grace. Hey, friends. How are you today? Feeling good? Feeling ready to learn something new?
I hope you are smiling right now because learning English should make you happy, not stressed.
Yes. So sit down, relax, grab your favorite drink, maybe coffee, maybe tea, and let's learn together.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, share the love, share the learning, because when we learn together, we grow together.
Exactly. All right, Grace, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is something that every English learner wants to know. It's how to learn words.
Oh, yes, that's one of the biggest questions, right? People always ask, how can I remember new English words? Or why do I forget new words so fast?
I've been there too. When I was a student, I always forgot new words after one day. I'd learn beautiful, and the next day, poof, it's gone.
I know that feeling. So today, we'll talk about how to learn new words easily, how to remember them longer, and how to enjoy the process.
Yes, and we'll share some simple methods that you can use every day. No stress, no boring lessons, just natural learning.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to make new words your friends, not your enemies.
I love that. Okay, so here's what we'll do today. First, we'll talk about why learning new words is important. Then, we'll share different methods to learn words. And finally, we'll practice together with some examples.
Sounds perfect. So, let's begin. Why is learning new words important? Grace, let me ask you a question. Can we speak English without words?
Of course not. Words are like the building blocks of a language. If grammar is the structure, then words are the bricks that make your sentences.
Exactly. When you learn more words, you can express yourself better. You can say what you really think, what you really feel.
Yes. Sometimes when people don't know enough words, they feel shy. They want to say something, but they can't find the words.
Right. It's like trying to paint a picture with only two colors.
Yes. If you only know good and bad, you can't describe life very well. But if you learn words like amazing, terrible, exciting, peaceful, boring, your world becomes bigger.
Exactly. So learning new words is not just about English, it's about expressing your life.
That's beautiful, David. And it's true. Every new word is like a small door to a new world.
So, friends, remember, learning new words helps you to speak better, read better, listen better, and write better.
Yes, but the question is, how can we learn them well? How can we remember them without feeling tired or bored?
That's what we'll talk about next. Different ways to learn new words.
Okay, David, so what's the first method you want to share?
Well, my favorite method is reading.
Reading? That sounds simple. Tell us more.
Yes, it's very simple, but very powerful. When you read something in English, like a short story, a news article, or even a post on social media, you meet new words in context.
In context means you see the word inside a sentence, right?
Exactly. So you don't just see the word, you see how it lives with other words.
Ah, that's smart. Because sometimes we learn a word alone, but we don't know how to use it in a sentence.
Right. But when you read, you see how the word connects. For example, if you read, "She is reading a beautiful story," then you see that beautiful goes before story. You also see that is reading means now, something happening at the moment.
So reading is like watching words dance together.
Yes, that's a great way to say it. And here's another tip. Read something you like.
Yes, please don't read boring things. If you love cooking, read a recipe in English. If you love travel, read a travel blog.
Exactly. When you read something interesting, your brain is happy. And when your brain is happy, you remember more.
So true. But David, what if I don't understand some words in the text? Should I stop and write every new word?
Good question. No, don't stop every time. Just keep reading. If you see a new word, check it quickly in a dictionary, understand it, and then keep going.
So don't spend too much time writing the word down?
Right. You don't need to write it every time. Just focus on understanding the story or text. You can always meet the same word again later. The more you see it, the more your brain will remember it naturally.
That's very helpful. So, to review, read something you like, don't stop too much, use a dictionary if needed, and focus on understanding.
Perfect summary, Grace.
Okay, what's the second method?
The second method is learn from real life.
Oh, like learning from what happens every day?
Exactly. For example, when you cook, you can say the names of things in English. Spoon, knife, pan, oil, sugar. When you go to the store, you can look at labels. Milk, bread, orange juice.
That's true. Learning from daily life helps you remember words faster because you use them in real situations.
Yes, you connect English to your real world. It's not just a word in a book, it's part of your life.
So when you cook, shop, or talk to friends, try to think in English, even just a little.
Yes, maybe just say in your mind, I'm cooking rice, or I'm walking to the bus stop.
That's a great habit. It's like having small English moments every day.
Now, the third method is learn words through conversation.
Oh, my favorite one.
I know. When you speak with someone, even for 5 minutes, you use words again and again. And when you use them, you remember them.
That's true. For example, if you learn the word delicious today, and tonight you say, "This pizza is delicious," your brain remembers it better.
Yes. And it's even better if your conversation is natural and fun.
So maybe you can find a friend to practice with, or join an English club, or talk online with people from other countries.
Yes. Or even talk to yourself. I do that sometimes.
You talk to yourself?
Yes. I say things like, "Okay, David, let's make coffee." Or, that shirt looks nice today."
That's cute. And it's true. Talking to yourself in English helps you think faster and use words more easily.
Here's another simple trick. Use pictures.
Pictures?
Yes. When you learn a new word, try to connect it with an image in your mind. For example, if the word is apple, imagine a red, shiny apple. If the word is rain, imagine the sound and feeling of rain.
So you use your imagination to make the word stronger in your memory.
Exactly. The more senses you use, sight, sound, feeling, the better you remember.
That's so true. And it's fun too. You can draw, use flashcards, or even use apps with pictures. Okay, David, I have a question. Sometimes I feel lazy. I want to learn words, but I don't feel motivated. What can I do?
Good question. We all feel that sometimes. The secret is make learning fun.
Fun? How?
You can play word games, like crossword puzzles or matching games. Or you can watch movies or cartoons with subtitles. That way, you see and hear words together.
Oh, yes, I love watching cartoons. They use simple English and repeat words often.
Exactly. And if you sing English songs, that's also great. You don't just learn words, you learn rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion.
Oh, yes, songs are the best. When I was learning English, I listened to Let It Go from Frozen. I still remember all the words because I sang it 100 times.
Yes, when you sing, you don't even realize you're learning, but your brain remembers everything.
So, friends, learning can be fun if you make it fun. Don't just study, enjoy it.
Here's another idea. Review words in a smart way. Don't try to remember everything at once. Instead, review a few words every day.
Like 5 words a day?
Yes, 5 words a day is great. After 1 month, that's 150 new words.
Wow, that's a lot, and it doesn't even feel hard.
Exactly. And try to use those words in sentences. For example, if you learn happy, tired, busy, hungry, excited, you can say, I'm happy today. I'm tired after work. I'm excited to learn English.
That's perfect practice. And when you repeat words in different ways, they become part of you. Okay, friends, let's practice a little right now. We'll show you how reading and translating new words can help.
All right. Let's read a short sentence. Listen and try to understand. Tom is reading a story about animals.
Do you know all the words? Maybe you don't know animals. So, what do we do?
We look in a dictionary. We find that animals means dogs, cats, birds, and other living creatures.
Now, continue reading. Next time when you see the word animals again, you'll remember it easily.
Exactly. You don't have to write it down, just understand it and move on.
And slowly, your brain learns the word naturally.
This is the magic of reading. When you read more, you see the same words again and again, and soon they become part of you.
Yes, and you also learn how words connect. You see how is reading is used for things happening now.
Right. So reading is not only about learning new words, it's also about learning grammar naturally.
That's awesome. So, our little practice today shows how easy it can be.
Okay, Grace, let's review what we learned today.
Sure. We learned that 1. Words are very important. They help you express yourself. 2. Reading is one of the best ways to learn new words. 3. Learn from real life. Use English in daily activities. 4. Speak and practice with others. 5. Use pictures and imagination to remember better. 6. Make learning fun. Play, sing, and enjoy it.
Perfect summary. And friends, remember, you don't have to learn everything today. Just a little every day is enough.
Yes, learning English is like growing a tree. You water it a little each day, and one day it becomes strong and beautiful.
Oh, that's lovely. And it's true. So don't be afraid if you forget some words. That's normal. Just keep reading, listening, and speaking, and the words will come back.
And celebrate small progress. If you learned 5 new words today, that's amazing. Smile and say, I did it.
Yes, because every small step is part of a big journey.
Okay, friends, that's all for today's episode, How to Learn Words. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be difficult. Keep it fun, keep it natural, and keep going.
And if you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to learn new words? We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you for listening, friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care and happy learning.